T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and launch. Go Falcon, go Koreasat.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. MOD propulsion is nominal.
Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center, carrying the Koreasat 6A satellite. And accelerating through the atmosphere and the ambient static pressure are at their greatest.
Max Q.
Great call out for Max Q right there.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 1 boost back startup.
And back ignition.
Some awesome views on the screen of those events that happened back to back. MECO, stage set, S1 flip, and SES1.
Fairing separation confirmed.
An awesome view of fairing separation as well. We'll be attempting to retrieve these fairing halves again today once they fall back to Earth using our recovery vessel, Doug. Next up, we are waiting.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And we just had confirmation that we completed our boost back burn. A landing at landing zone 1 at Cape
Stage
Canaveral.
1 entry burn startup.
And there is the beginning of entry burn.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
An awesome view of stage 1's entry burn as it heads back towards landing zone 1 at Cape Canaveral Space Force
Station. Both vehicles continue to follow nominal trajectories.
In about 30 seconds, we will begin the landing burn on stage 1, where the center engine E9.
Stage 1 FTS has safed.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Stage 1 transonic.
All great stage 1 callouts right there.
Stage 2 FTS has safed.
An awesome view of landing burn. We are now waiting for Falcon 9 to land back on land at landing zone 1.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
And there you have it. That landing marks SpaceX's 364th recovery of an orbital class rocket, including first stage landings for Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy.
Nominal parking orbit.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
We also had SECO 1. An awesome view of the MVAC, which has now lit up for its second burn.
Koreasat 6A, deploy confirmed.
And we heard the call out, and you can see right there, we had successful deployment of the Koreasat 6A satellite as it moves away from stage 2.